Hi friends, today I am going to make origami boat. The origami boat look like this. So for origami boat we need a rectangle page. Now fold this page in rectangle shape once again. One more time we have to fold this page in rectangle. After pressing it, open it again. You can see a midline has formed here. Take this corner of page to this midline. Follow this same step to another side also. Take this point of paper to the midline. Here you get a big triangle. After doing this, you can see two pieces of paper are remaining here. Fold one piece of paper on that big triangle. Turn the page. You can see two corners are coming out. Fold them inside. Same step follow for remaining page also. Fold it upward. After folding, turn the page and fold the coming outside corners inside. After completing this, put your thumb inside the page. Like this, a pocket is formed. Press from both the sides with your fingers and make it a square. Like this. Here you get a square. The next step is take this corner of page and fold it upwards. You get a small triangle here. Same step for back side also. Now put your thumb inside the page to form a pocket and press both the sides with help of your fingers like this. Now grab your fingers on the top of the paper and with the help of your fingers pull out the page. Press the edges properly. Now here our boat is ready but is not able to stand. So for make it to stand, we have to press with the help of our thumbs on the base slightly. After doing this, you can see your boat is able to stand on the floor. You can make this boat with the help of your parents, elders. It is very easy to make. You can use your favorite color papers and you can place it in your room anywhere. I think you enjoyed that. Thank you. Have a nice day.